Hi everyone, this is Shamyajit Paul and I am representing my project Transcons. Now let me explain first what is Transcons. Well, Transcons is about a light transmitting concrete. Well, being a civil engineer student, when I first casted a concrete and looked at it, I thought, oh, this is really very dull shape. So I thought to implement this concrete something effective way. So basically I came up with the concept like, why can't I transmit light through this concrete and utilize this as a power saving unit. So what is Transcons basically comprises of? Well, here as I want to show my prototype, this is a 6 into 6 centimeter cube that I have made from a normal concrete with a grade of 1:2:3 with water cement ratio. Now as you can see, I have inserted in this concrete fiber optical elements. Now what is fiber optical elements? Fiber optics are light transmittance, have a 100% light transmitting property. Now in order to transmit the light, I have put the fiber optics from one end to other end. This let us assume this has to be a wall surface and wall thickness, and this is the outer wall and this is the inner wall. Now let me explain by switching off the light. As I put in light source from the other end, you can see that the light transmits through this portion. Now as I want to explain, as you can see, I have put different densities in various areas of this surface. Now where the density of the fiber is more, the light transmitted is more, and where the density is less, the light transmitting property is comparatively less, as the less amount of unit of light fiber is provided. Now what is basically I want to explain is that in this model I have put approximately 150 unit of light fiber of basically 0.5 mm dia. Now as calculated, this approximately covers around 0.4% of the total volume of the cube. So basically the strength of the cube is not affected by the optical fibers, and moreover the light transmitting property is maintained. Now this can be a very good future project and can be evolved as a green project as a future prospect, since it can transmit and save a lot of electrical energy unit during the daytime, as when the sunlight will fall on one's outer surface of a building and can be penetrated and can reflect into the inner surface, so that we can save a lot of energy inside the building. Now what I want basically is that a lot of researches has been done on this project, but there are hardly any research that is being carried out as a load bearing transmitting concrete. Now my project basically confines on basic prototype and a load bearing concept. By load bearing I mean I would like to reinforce steel fibers in this such that this concrete becomes reinforced and it can gain the strength of a load bearing structure that you can see on walls and beams and columns. So what I want from the competition is that my project is evolved and it is financially supported by you, and also it is given up elevation to the world, so that we can save a lot of energy for India and we can give an economic growth. Thank you.